Alright guys, no, si Mrs. andyan. So here he is, the professional I was talking about, Kuya Carmelo. Guys, hire him. He knows what he's doing. So he's gonna install my Govee lights up there. Actually, it's under the roof gutter. So all the way back there. And these are this is mine actually, and he's borrowing it. And this is mine too, and this is his. The Govee lights are right here. Extension cord too. Kuya, take care, huh? Okay, be careful. Si Kuya Carmelo na napupunta sa gitna. Sorry guys, medyo madumi ang bahay. So, yan, lalagay. Diyan na lalagay. Just mag-start.
May kulang yung order mo.
Yan si Kuya, tandaan niyo yung face niya. Napakagaling niyang taong yan. Napakabait. So he's sorting out his tools right now. Kuya Carmelo is the man.
Ano, naka-YouTube ka.
Siyempre, papasikatin kita eh. Okay lang Kuya? Gusto ko sumikat ka eh. Para pag mayaman ka na, sana pansinin mo pa rin kami. So he's gonna install the Govee lights right there. So this is 100 feet and 100 feet. I think I only need like 150 total up there. So
May
this is
bayad,
all.
magkano ko yan ha?
Ha?
Baka may bayad yan sa iyo.
Wala nga akong bayad eh. I don't care about the bayad. I just wanna let you be popular and be rich, Kuya. Kuya Carmelo is the name here in Stockton, guys. He can do everything like installation of the Govee lights, cleaning of the roof gutter. Tapos, and he said he can fix that bulok wood over there. He can fix that. Because I have 1 and 2 right here. So he's going to fix that after installation right here. That's a 150 extension cord. Bought it from Amazon. So he's going to zip tie over there like what I did here. So the rain won't get wet. Kuya, ingat ha. Whatever you do, Kuya, don't fall. Whatever you do. Remember, Kuya, you got 5 kids, so don't fall. Maraming umaasa sa'yo, Kuya. Right, so he's installing the adapter already for the Govee light. So I told him to try to hide it as much as possible so it won't get wet, you know, if it rains. Alright guys, just an update. So he's already there. He connected the second strand of lights already. And he's doing a good job, guys. Once again, this is Carmelo. He can do everything. If you have house repairs, everything, he can do that, guys. Alright guys, so he's setting up over there. So it's almost halfway, guys, right there. Good job, Kuya. And we just tested it, and it's working, guys. Let's go. Yeah, so I'm protecting the ladder to slide, so safety first, guys. All right, Kuya Carmelo, halfway done, guys. Let's go. Oh, nagmi-meeting yung mga magpapagawa ng Govee, guys. Ayun na, doon na kami, guys.
Sinend ko yung email ng Govee para meron akong discount.
Ay, ganun ba yun?
5% lang naman.
5%. Ayun, no?
Bro, daw maganda. Ano mo ngayon?
Alright guys, so he's almost there at the end of the installation, guys. Good job, Kuya Carmelo. Lapit na. Yes, sir. Oh, okay, Kuya. Yan. Damn, the light strands are like exactly like measured. Wow. Good job, Kuya. And I just tested it and everything works, guys. And later I'll show you guys how it looks like at dark. So, yep. I guess this is it for the installation, guys. And later I'm gonna make a video when it's dark. All right, thanks for watching, guys. All right, guys. So what do you think, guys? So the upper part of the house is already installed. So everything works already. I'll show you guys. There you go. So the professional guy already installed that part. What do you think, guys? I think my house is already glowing. Look at that. Thank you, Carmela, for installing it. Right there. Everything done, guys. You know. What do you think, guys? Does it look good? I still have an extra Govee strand, so I was planning to put that in on my Christmas tree so it can glow like this, guys. All right, let me know what you think, guys. All done. Looks beautiful. Thanks, Govee.